Hi guys, welcome back to Jadyn Crafts, and today we are going to be making some Among Us patterns, and I am super excited for this one, so let's get started. I'm a little nasally today because of the seasons changing, because it is spooky season and I'm super excited. And recently this game called Among Us, if you don't know the game, then you have probably been living under a rock or you haven't had technology near you, because everyone and their mother is playing this game or has heard of it. And everyone and their mother is pretty obsessed with it, and I am one of those people. So yeah, I have already made one keychain. We have this one right here. I always play as yellow, and if I'm not yellow, I'm either pink or lime green, so yeah. And I just made the one with like the little leaf on the top as the hat, and I also crocheted a little Among Us character, and of course it's yellow because why wouldn't it be, you know? Yellow is my favorite color, so we have a yellow It is so cute. I definitely recommend making one if you know how to crochet. So it is so freaking cute. So these are the only two things that I have made, but I have some patterns pulled up right here. And Brenda, she's still here. She's still running and jumping and kicking. We have these three patterns right here, and I think I'm gonna make two of them. So I think I'm gonna I might just make these two because I really want to make all of them, and I am kind of obsessed with the game. Really? Oh my gosh, I didn't know. Did you know? I didn't know. We love editing. Back to the video. Let's actually get started with the patterns. I'm so excited to add to my collection. Let's get wrapping and knotting. Woo woo! So what is going down right now is I'm going to make my first character, the one that I just showed you of how I play. So let's get moving on that one. Super excited. Like, you don't understand how excited I am to do this one. Let's get moving. So moving is what we're doing. I'm doing a voiceover, as you are probably so excited to hear, because I know a lot of you love me doing voiceovers and not with me's and all that fun jazz, but I only have like a minute to talk to you and I don't want to waste it, you know what I mean? So this keychain was really fun to make, but unfortunately this was the only footage that I got out of the two bracelets, so the time lapse is only going to show for one of the bracelets, but the other bracelet can just be a little fun surprise for you. So make sure you stick around to see that one. But I love this time lapse because it's kind of like a printer. I think somebody said that, and they were like, it's so cool. It looks like a printer or like a typewriter, or I don't know. But now I see it and it's super cool. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you later in the next clip, but later for me. Peace out. Okay, so I finished both of my patterns, and I will tell you which one of the other two choices that I chose right after I show you the first one. But I did the first one and I was like, oh my gosh, I filmed all of it. I was able to do all of the time lapse, and then I got to the second one and I was like, I'm tired. So I went to bed and then made this one the next day. Oh, sneak peek. And I did not film me knotting any of it. So we're just gonna have to deal with that one clip, but I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was pretty sick, because I always love alpha time lapses, plural. Yeah. So the first one, as you probably already saw, I made this wonderful keychain with my actual character that I play with now, and I love the safari hat. I think it looks so cool. I absolutely love this pattern. This one just looks weird. This one looks like to size, you know what I mean? So I will leave this pattern and the next pattern in the description. My brother is running around crazy, but I will leave the patterns in the description if you want to make them. I'll leave all of them. I'll leave this one in there too. So yeah, the next one I made without any of you knowing was this pattern right here. Sorry, I just burped. But I absolutely love this one, and I will probably be making like a longer version, but I just didn't have enough time. I absolutely adore this one. It is so cute, and like it is so easy to make, and oh my gosh, he's running around like a maniac. But yeah, I absolutely love this one. I'll be making multiple color combinations and multiple different multiple different amounts of characters because I love this one. So that's all I need to say, you know what I mean? We made these 2 wonderful Among Us keychains along with the one that I already had, along with my crochet buddy. I absolutely love this one too. So I'll leave the tutorial link in the description for you as well if you want to make it too, because you know, everyone and their mother is obsessed with the game, and I don't blame them. I am obsessed too. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Among Us little tribute. Wait, before we carry on with the scheduled outro, I wanted to say that you are probably thinking, Jadyn, why isn't this your 1K special? Where's the 1K celebration? Like, I know. I already was planning on doing this video before I even hit 1K, so I'm doing this one, and then I'm doing a little extra video that is probably going to be posted on Monday or Sunday, one of those 2 days, and if it isn't posted on Monday and Sunday, then I'm probably going to post it on Tuesday. So it's Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. Either one of those days, I'm going to be posting a little 1K special, so be on the lookout for that. And then that following Wednesday, I'm going to be posting my October wrap-up. So yeah, just wait up for that video. And yeah, I promise you there is going to be a 1K special, so just hold your phones, put them down. And let's get back to the outro. And if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you liked the video, if you like me, then make sure to give that red subscribe button a big tap-a-rooney if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope you have a marvelous day. So yeah, bye guys!